Discuss your worksheet number 81, class 9th English medium, and we are revising is matter around us pure. So today we'll discuss about the suspension and colloids, two types of solution. Suspension, it is a heterogeneous mixture of solid particles solute in a solvent in which the solute particle remains undissolved and suspended. यहाँ पे जो है solute dissolve नहीं होता और उसमें suspended रहता है. While colloid solution is a heterogeneous mixture which appears to be homogeneous through naked eyes, the particles are so small that they cannot be seen with the naked eye, but are large enough to deviate the light ray passing through them. Example is milk and blood. When we talk of properties, particles can be seen with naked eye. It is heterogeneous mixture. Solute and solvent particles can be separated by filtration. It is an unstable solution. Solute particles settle down upon keeping, and size of the particle is greater than 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. Solute particles in case of colloid cannot be seen with the naked eyes. The solution seems to be homogeneous but is actually a heterogeneous. Particle can be separated by filtration, and colloidal solution have two parts. One is dispersed phase and another is dispersion. In a mixture of milk and water, the particles of protein and fat present in milk are dispersed phase and water is in dispersion medium. You can also remember the amount which is in higher concentration is known as dispersion, and the thing which is in lesser is known as dispersed phase. It is a stable solution and the size of the particle is between 10 raised to power minus 8 to 10 raised to power minus 6 meter. There is a table showing the different types of colloidal solution and the dispersed and dispersion medium you can see. Now when we talk of question answers, differentiate between suspension and colloid. So you can write this difference from these properties. This is the answer number 1. Second question, classify the following as suspension and colloid. So we have to classify as suspension and colloid. So blood, milk, and you can say jelly, all these are colloid. Okay, and these other two are suspension. Identify the dispersed phase and dispersion medium in the following. You can write fog, shaving cream, gemstone and jelly. So you can, in the jelly, you can write from this table. For gemstone, you can write from this table. Shaving cream and fog, so all are there in the table. You can easily write. If beam of light is made to fall on a glass of milk, will the path be visible? Why or why not? This can be written from here. The path will be visible because particles are, because you can write particles are large enough to deviate the light ray passing through them. So this will be the answer number 4, because particles are large enough to deviate the light. So this completes your worksheet. Thanks for watching.